They killed you. What have I done, God? Why me? Why me, Lord? I take care of people's children. Why should anybody kill my own, God? What have I done, Father? I take care of people's children. Why would anybody kill my God? Oh, God. It's not okay. Oh.
Mommy, it's okay.
It's not my only son. Oh.
Please stop crying, Mommy.
Good day, ma'am.
Good day, Mr. J. Any progress?
Yes, ma'am. This is an international passport. We saw it at the scene of the crime. We're here to find out if your son was with it at the time of the incident.
Hey!
God, is this real? I'm finished. The most frightening thing is that I cannot find my passport, nor my phone. I don't even know whether I lost it inside the first car or Wilson's car. Please, somebody should tell me this is a dream. Somebody tell me this is a dream. Just tell me it's a dream. Somebody tell me this is a dream. It's just a dream.
What?
Nothing. Have you finished with what you were doing?
Yes, brother. But brother, since you returned yesterday night, you've not been yourself. What is the problem?
There's nothing wrong. Alright, will you just go and read your books? Go and study. You want to go and get F again? You want credit in Igbo? Go and read your books.
Brother, it's obvious to me that you're not okay. Please open up to me. What is the problem?
I said I am fine.
Brother, since you don't want to open up to me, it's like I'll go and call Auntie Nancy. Maybe you will tell her what the problem is.
Let me take it out.
Mike is my friend. I cannot deny it.
Do you know that your boyfriend is an armed robber?
That is what beats me.
Answer the question, young girl. Do you know that your boyfriend is an armed robber?
I don't know. For all I know, Mike is a student.
Are you saying the truth?
That's the truth.
I am done with her for now.
So, can I go with her?
Yes. But don't hesitate to bring her whenever we have need for her. I shall from time to time relate to you on our investigations.
Thank you, Inspector. So nice. Shall we go?
I'm very serious over what I'm telling you. AB Finance has applied Amakoya.
EB? When shall it be? Do you know the case of what you are vibrating? Do you know the seriousness of this vibration la fi on Akwadata? Bonkios Otule, the gods are not here. If this is a Jara, the gods are not wise, but I cannot see myself as per this time. The thing remains that I know that AB Finance and Supremo are their colleagues, they are just departmental mates. I'm aware of that, but it's not enough to justify AB Finance being a court member. I cannot see myself, my son.
Chief, my chief.
Goes bad.
this is not the case of being in the same department. I mean, read the handwriting on the wall. The last time I saw them with the activities, I believe there's more to it.
Who's bad? Vous nos de la face and the voulez-vous. If the gods are like that, Bonki, Supremo is the HOD, he is the head of the Scorpions. Otule. But Minawela, Awela, Amena. AB Finance is my brutal son with who and where please. Say G-Lord of this year. And I know he has been so much against cultism in Kega's club. He has been at the vanguard of fighting cultism. But if be that as it may, I cannot believe that he has shined. But even if there is IKECHUKWU somewhere like a this, like a data, Bobonki, the gods will still deliver them nationally. We are still in this area. Let us be onyo. One day, like at that moment, occasion, the breeze will levu and the nyash of Okoko will gentule. I will onyoko if there is any case. My son, what can never to stumble? You are days, you are very candid.
May your days be long.
Nancy. The police inspector is here to see you.
I'll be out in a minute.
No, you're going with me.
Just in a minute.
Let's go. Let's go, okay?
No. No. This is unlike you, Mrs. Kema. How can you tell me that that boy has been coming to your house in the name of visit or cosmate? To an extent that he has been seen moving around with your son that just came back not too long ago. Why?
Chief, don't blame me too much. I tried my best. But my daughter kept saying that he is her friend, he is her cosmate.
Friend my foot. Don't you know that that boy has been gathering information on this family? Don't you know that? Now let me even ask you, how do you think that that boy survived if not through armed robbery? I wish I could lay my hand on that boy and teach him lesson of his life. Nonsense.
God. Good day, ma'am. Good day, sir.
Jai, you're welcome.
Good day, sir.
You're welcome. Please take a seat.
Thank you, ma'am.
Chief.
Yes.
This is the inspector in charge of my son's case.
Oh, I see.
He is Inspector Ajay.
I see. So how has he been, Inspector? What is the next line of action? Has he been apprehended?
Well, sir, we are still on our investigations. And from the facts we have gathered so far, I am sure that very soon he will be in our net.
What facts are you gathering? What facts, Inspector?
Actually, we now know where he lives. We have been to his school and made some very useful inquiry. Very soon, he will be brought to book.
To hell with his house and his school. I wish I could lay my hand on that boy and teach him a lesson. Anyway. Yes. Hello, Mr. Commissioner. Yes, I'm okay. And you? Good. Commissioner, are you aware of the case that has to do with Honorable Mrs. NKWUENU's son? Oh, it's on your table. Good. Please, I would like you to take that case personal. I have interest. Yes. Good. Thank you very much. Nonsense.
Papa, I'm scared. Oh. I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm not playing. I'm scared. I don't know who is going to believe my story.
What kind of trouble is this? And now, what do I do? Mike, I think we shall have to invite the police.
No, we can't go to the police. If we go to the police, my case is going to be worse. I beg you, we cannot go to the police.
Who is there?
It's me, Nancy.
Don't open the door. Don't open the door. Maybe she came with the police.
Who are those people with you there?
Papa, there's nobody with me. I'm alone.
Mike.
Mike, tell me you're innocent of all this. Tell me you're innocent of all this allegation.
Nancy, I can't do it. It couldn't have been me. And I know he's your brother. I don't have that kind of heart. It's not possible. I don't even see why you should be asking me that question. It's Supremo. Supremo killed him. He told me that he was going to frustrate my life. Finally, he's achieved it. Now I don't even know where to go. I don't even know what to do. This is frustrating me in this place.
What are you going to do? I mean, I don't know, but the police will soon be here to arrest you because they found your passport at the scene of the crime.
Holy shit. Oh, my passport. Oh my God. Yeah, that was my passport I was looking for.
I don't know. Honestly, I don't know. I don't know.
I am asking you for the last time.
Where is your son? I swear with my life, I've never seen him since yesterday.
Sir, please, he's telling you the truth, please. We don't know where he is.
All right. I'm giving you 24 hours. 24 hours to produce your son.
Yes, sir.
Do you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Do you hear me?
Yes, sir.
sir.
Please and pleases, there is a terrible case in this area. Supreme Commandium, may you all see danger and apply caution. There is a brutal danger in this area. There is a terrible IKECHUKWU in the soup. Some of my entities have decided to interact with courtism.
Open on God by way of fishing out.
Supreme Commandium, it shall never become came that
it's not allowed.
A member of Kega's club will enter secret court. Our rules and regulations abhor courtism. We are here to promote African culture. We are here to socialize, and we are here to read our books and pass with good grace. Supreme Commandium. Where is A.B. Righty? Rotate to this coro.
Bende State.
Where is A.B. school bag? Is he here? Please, brefa. Here is Supreme Commandium. Firm all over the Rakamus. Please, tranquility. Where is A.B. Finance? A.B. Finance will rotate to this coro. Supreme Commandium. Please. Wider. These three babasis are the babasis who have tried courtism as against our rules, as against the tenets, as against the spirit of the founding fathers of this club. I know that this club is a club that has prominent people. The former president of this country is the one life patron of this club. Late Awolowo was the eternal life patron of this club. Okay. We have a Professor Shorika who was among the founding fathers of this club. Yeah. If these eminent people are members of this club, then why should you interact with courtism? Supreme Commandium. There is no mercy in this case. You know, this is the highest crime you can commit in this club. Therefore, I have decided, out of the powers conferred on me, that they must be expelled. Sobre Commodium! And it's a serious matter. Therefore, I'm going to expel these 3 boys who have joined cultism, so that it will be an example to others. If you know you are thinking of interacting with Kush by way of joining cultism, please and please leave this club before now. Because if I find you, you know that the gods will not be happy with you.
After you, when she comes.
So bring Commodium. Aya, Kori Gaga, Kori Gaga, Kori Gaga. So bring Commodium. You know the culture. We are going to Dikeh them. Dikehation means expulsion from the club. Therefore, I'm going to place this keg on their
all I'm carried to the state.
Jeffersons to protection. Jeffersons to
so much, make it more.
So break Commodium. Then the realms, circumference, perimeter, powers is conferred on me by one council of Jeffersons, fellowships, elders. That I and only I, Chief Emperor Iwala, Akava Chief of the whole galaxy. The only chief who believes that whatever goes up must come down. And if it's coming down, it is coming down on something. The only chief who believes in discipline. The only chief who believes that 1 week of no generation makes 1 week. After brutal interaction with our forefathers and system mamas, do hereby pronounce and vibrate that from today come tomorrow, these 3 Idebujis, these 3 Okonkwo who have decided to join cultism are expelled. And on no account should they be entitled to our 1 finger salute. On no account from today should they be entitled to interact with our holy water. On no account should they be interacting with our generation or anything that concerns Kega's club. To God the Lord, I have seriously.
Come on,
myself to take them to the bush. They now belong to the bush. They no longer belong to Kega's club. Kega's has nothing to do with sacred God.
I tell you, as I follow this guy, the guy if he say if he sprint, he will now full on enter gutter. As I take him, po. You hit him. Come on, see the guy they cry like the guy they cry like pussy.
Oh boy. They know the third man. Yeah? I know it's not supposed to be now.
Yeah, say you need to see this guy when they cry. Oh, forget me, I'm bad, man. I'm bad. Hey!
Finest. Waiting to worry you. Finest.
Boy, forget this guy. The Dikeh guy, fucking guy. Now you can't keep face like this for him. You don't feel drink, you don't feel do anything. I say this. I don't understand. But forget this dude, man.
Get in my bed.
Niggas, listen. K-guy. Guy, what's it worry when I know? Earlier, Supreme will tell me about Nuga games. Now they hear about K-guy. Guys, they fall our boys down there for Unical. They beat us 5-1. Shit! You know how many boys don't lay? Now when I talk about K-guy, when I talk about Nuga games, what the hell is that?
Now you don't understand, bro.
Boys, listen, guy, listen. If, in short, this evening time, I'm having a meeting with Supremo. If you guys don't arrange yourselves and come down to do what you're supposed to do, first thing in the morning, at the Unical. At the Ashona, I'm assembling all the Capons and they must hear what you guys are doing.
Nah, stop you. And
I will tell you, I will sign off.
Well, you never reach like that.
They go know what it happen.
You never reach like that.
I tell you.
You. Which one you know day? You won't go expose.
You never reach like that.
You never reach like that, bros.
What you talk? I never reach. They go paste.
Kopenti, you're not awareness of credibility. You don't understand.
Can never understand what? Muna arrange yourself now. Look what they happen. Look our boys they fall.
Mom, I want to talk to you. It's about Mike.
What about him? Have you seen him?
No.
Then what?
I know how you feel, Mom. I feel terrible too. But you have to understand that Mike did not kill Wilson.
What?
He's not an armed robber.
What?
Mom, it's true. I mean, he's just...
Shut up! You were the first person who brought that idiot to this house. And I warned you against it, but you wouldn't listen to me. Now he has killed my son and you're here telling me rubbish. Now, Nancy, shut up and get the hell out of this house. Get out! Get out, get out, get out.
Officer, the armed robbers abducted Mike on his way back from the immigration office where he had gone to collect his international passport. Their car broke down along the road. Coincidentally, they stopped my brother. They shot him when they realized he knew Mike.
Why did they abduct Mike?
The leader of the gang, Supremo, that's his name. He had some issues with Mike while they were preparing for the Nuga games. He had promised to deal with him.
Your story is not well cooked, young lady. It is better you advise your boyfriend to turn himself in instead of running around.
Officer, my brother died. I don't have a reason to cover up for him, but you have to listen to me. What I'm telling you is the truth. That is the truth. I'm so confused, Betty. I don't know what to do. I mean, honestly speaking, sentiments apart, I can vouch for Mike. Mike would never commit such a heinous crime. He's harmless. Well, the question is, how? I mean, just how do I convince every other person that Mike is innocent? How?
Nancy, how will they believe you? How? His passport was found at the scene of the crime. And he was also present at the scene of the crime. Okay, if he's truly innocent, why not present him, let him defend himself?
That is the point. I am afraid. I mean, I'm scared of what they might do to him. I don't want them to hurt him. As it is, everybody, including my mother, believe that Mike is responsible. But I know he's not.
Anyway, I don't know what you're up to. But if I were in your shoes, I will present the killer of my brother.
There is no...
He will face the law.
Okay, there is a killer of my brother, but I do not know who the killer of my brother is. I know that Mike is not the killer, but I cannot pinpoint who the killer is. That is the point. Mike is innocent. I mean...
Nothing. I hope you know what you're doing.
Well, you see, Inspector, I don't know all my students. It's not just possible. But this very Mike in question He's a boy that is very hardworking, has a track record, has done remarkable things for this school. If you know the history of the school with Nigga games, or if you know athletics very well, it's the brain behind our last success at the games. I'm sure there must be a mix-up somewhere. Yes.
But actually, there are some students you don't know what they are up to.
Yes.
This Mike you claim to know so well. When was the last time you spoke to him?
Well, Inspector, I have not been around. I came back about 2 weeks ago, and ever since then I've been trying to call him, but to no avail.
Very well then. Let me open up. This Mike you claim to know so well is an armed robbery suspect.
Can't be!
Never. In fact, he is suspected to have murdered the son of an honorable member in the state in an attempt to snatch his car.
No. Inspector, no. There is a mistake somewhere. Armed robber? Mike Igwe? No way, it's not possible.
Exactly what I told you in my office. You see, it's unbelievable. The Mike I know can't even handle a stick, let alone a gun.
Very well then. This might interest you.
Mike.
Sir.
How did you get this?
If you happen to see him or hear anything about him, please do not hesitate to call us, or at least inform the school security.
Okay, Inspector, please do me one favor. I'll get back to you soonest.
Yes, sir.
Hey, this one you're taking cover in the gutter like this. What's up? You sure say you never commit? Eh?
Charles, my mind nearly cut out now.
What's happened? Hey, I've been noticing some policemen in the campus for some time now. Even a few minutes ago, I saw them coming out from the VC's office. Guy, what's happening now?
It's not hard that Mike shot the son of an honorable member. Eh? Meaning that Mike is not an armed robber.
Since it's a lie now, it's a lie. It cannot be true now. Eh? Remember that Mike is your friend, though. He's our friend.
Friend?
Eh, now.
Friend, K. See, as you see me, sir, I'm applying Choma Junwao. In fact, my last paper is the only thing holding me in this school. If I am true, I will just run to my brother's house in Enugu. Everyone who knows him has disappeared because he could fire back at them, and you were here supporting him.
Saint, come. This cannot be true now. You want to tell me that Mike, all overnight, turned an armed robber? No. This is our friend we are talking about here. Oh, you know.
Just you had better believe me and deny him. Say you don't know him. Considering what they did to him, he could come back for revenge. As for me, I have denied even knowing him immediately this whole thing started. Because I contributed to his frustration.
Where are you going now?
Charles, I am leaving.
Eh?
I can't continue. guy is gone. I told you, man. I told you. Shit! Let me waste this guy. This guy's up to something. I told you. What are you doing, man?
If police get this guy, we are in trouble, my lord.
Maybe you know we'll reach...
Shut up! Vivi!
Bro, Mike.
Eh? Anybody came here looking for me?
No, brother, the police have not come again.
You have food?
Yes, brother, I cooked rice. Okay, let me...
Bring food now.
Okay.
Wait. Bring me one cap and a t-shirt and jeans. Quickly. Food. Give me the food. Wait. Where's the cap? Give me the cap.
Dick.
The jeans. Wait. Give me. Two. I'll leave the other jeans down here, okay?
Okay, brother, are you okay?
I'm fine.
Are you sure?
Anybody come tell them I've traveled. I'm not in town. Eh? You hear? Okay, bye-bye.
Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Where is your brother?
Sir, he's not around though.
And your father?
He went to work, sir.
Where is his workplace?
Sir, my father doesn't have a workplace, so he has a sewing machine, so he do go around sewing for people. And I don't know where precisely he will be at the moment.
I see. Tell him we're here.
All right, sir.
Morning. I want to make a phone call.
Okay. What's the number?
080
080
291 23411.
It's ringing.
Thank you. Hello, Nancy. Yes, me. It's me, Mike. No. You can't see me. Listen, when you meet me at Chairs Road tomorrow in the evening. Yes. I'm fine. Everything is okay. Okay, I'll see you. Bye.
Okay.
Alright. How much?
It's 1 minute, 20 naira.
Thank you.
Honorable, please sit down. Sit down and at least hear me out. Madam, we are searching every nook and cranny to ensure that the killer is brought to book. The VC the school security, even the commissioner of police, all of them have interest in this case. I know we have not seen the killer. But there is one person who sees him on a daily basis.
Then what are you waiting for? Why don't you just arrest that person so that he or she will provide the killer of my son?
Calm down, madam.
Calm down?
Please calm down. Madam, do you want me to arrest your daughter?
Out of your freaking mind? What do you mean by arresting my daughter?
Madam, I have done this job for a good number of years.
So?
And considering the discussions I had with your daughter, I firmly believe that she is still seeing him.
Hmm?
Yes.
What?
Your daughter.
You like the food?
Yes, Mom, it's nice. Excuse me. Hello? Mike.
Who was that?
My friend, Miriam.
I heard you call Mike.
No, Mom, I said Mickey. Miriam, Mickey. I call her Mickey and she calls me same.
Call him or her Mickey, Mike, Miriam, Miranda.
Hello?
Hello, Nancy. This is Mike.
Mike, where are you?
I am the old man on your left-hand side.
My left?
Stay where you are. Stay where you are. I suspect there are some people following you. Maybe police.
Policemen?
On your right-hand side, down the road.
Yes.
So just go home and I will contact you, okay?
Are you okay?
I am fine.
Okay. I'll see you. Yes, I'll call you when I get home. You call me, yes?
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye.
What's that she's doing?
Hello, madam. Mike did not show up again. Yes, ma. We are going back to the station. Yes, ma. Officer,
Let's go.
Good afternoon, sir.
Where's Mike?
He's not around.
Where is he hiding?
I don't know, sir. He didn't tell me where he was going to. All I know is that he's not in the house.
Leave me alone! Leave me alone! Eh?
Where is Mike?
Who are you and what do you want from Mike?
Believe me, old man, you don't want to know who I am.
Is that how you talk to your father?
Leave it alone. Let's go.
Hey.
You're not my fucking father.
And tell him this is just the beginning. I'll be back again.
Come back here. What are you looking for?
I want to see Auntie Nancy.
And who you be?
My name is Ndidi. I'm Mike's younger sister.
Mike's younger sister?
Yes.
That armed robber.
Stop that. My brother is not an armed robber. Please, I want to go and see.
Come back here. You must be a sister robber. A sister to an armed robber is a sister robber. Do you know that? Come here. Make I open door for my madam. Don't make I use my door.
Musa?
Yes, madam.
Who is that girl?
She says she be Mikey's sister.
There you go. Come here. Come here.
Good afternoon, ma. I want to see Auntie Nancy.
See her for what?
It's very important. I really need to see her, please.
So what is it all about?
It's not like that, ma. It's just that it's for Auntie Nancy's
Okay. All right. Hello? Hello? Inspector. Get. So, what's your business about it? Mom? I said, what's your business about it? Hey, listen, Musa, come here. Now listen to me and listen to me real good. Any day you let Nancy out of this compound, you will not only lose your job, but me, Mrs. Kema, will make you spend 2 miserable weeks in a police cell. Did you get that?
Yes, madam.
Get back to the house. Get back to the house. Silly girl.
Auntie Nancy's mother didn't allow me to inform her. She even tried calling the police on me. I had to run away.
I'm dying now.
Papa, please, let me go and look for someone else that will help me take you to the hospital. You know there's no money in the house. Please don't die. Please, Papa. Just wait, excuse me.
What's happening? Is everything alright?
Some group of boys came here in the morning and shot Papa.
What? Shot Papa where?
Somewhere here, brother.
Well, what about the neighbors? What did he say?
Everybody ran away. And Papa is saying he's weak.
Oh my God! Listen, take this money. Take this money. I will call Nancy. Nancy will meet up with you.
Okay, but brother, I even went to their house, but her mother didn't allow me to see her. Yes.
Don't worry, I will call Nancy. Have this one. I will call Nancy.
Okay.
Then she'll meet you at the hospital, okay?
Okay.
Go.
Hey, brother. The guy that shot Papa said his name is Supremo. Yes.
It's okay. Just go. Okay. I will get Nancy to meet you.
Okay.
Don't turn. You didn't see me, oh.
Oh, take care.
Nancy, come and meet at the hospital, okay?
Okay, brother.
Madam say make I know open this, make I know allow you come on. Where you want to go again?
Are you out of your mind? In my mother's house or in your mother's house?
Madam say make I know open the gate.
Go open it.
Okay, I'll be waiting.
Doctor, please now. You can't leave him like this, please. There's still bullets inside his body. Let's just take him to the theater, please. You can't leave him like this, please.
My dear, I've done the best I can by giving him first aid treatment for now. And there will be no further treatment on him unless you get a note from the police.
No, doctor, no. Please, you can't leave him like this. Please, I'm begging you, please. Doctor, please, don't leave him like this.
My dear, don't you have any relative?
Good day, doctor. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm Nancy, a friend to the family.
Okay.
How is he doing?
So far, so good.
The doctor said he can't treat him without the police consent.
Doctor, you can go ahead and treat him. I'll go to the police and get a covering note.
I'm sorry. It's not done that way. You have to get the note from the police first.
Doctor, you can't possibly sit by and watch this man die. You and I know he is not an armed robber. Please, just treat him. I'll go get the covering note and then anything can follow.
Please, do get a note from the police. Okay. Excuse me.
Alright. Didi, don't cry. It's okay. You wait here with him. I'll quickly go and see what I can do. Try and get a note or something. Okay? Thank you. My goodness.
I love my girl, but her mother wants me to go away. I'm running helter-skelter, running all over town. There's a man with a gun to shoot me down, and what's a poor boy to do? No place to hide, nowhere to run to. If this is a dream, I want to wake up. If this is a joke, I want it to stop. There's trouble everywhere, and what's a poor boy to do? What's a poor boy to do? What am I gonna do? No place to hide, nowhere to run to. No, no. If this is a dream, I want to wake up. If this is a joke, I want it to stop. There's trouble everywhere. What's a poor boy to do? What am I going to do? What's a poor boy to do? What am I going to do? No place to hide, nowhere to run to. If this is a dream, I want to wake up.
Nancy, why are you driving like that?
I'm sorry, but somebody's life is in danger.
Whose life?
Mike's father. He was shot by the same gang, Supremo, who killed my brother. He's at the hospital now, and they won't treat him unless we get a police report. St. Michael's Hospital.
All right, let's go there.
Thank you so much.
Yes. The patient in the general ward extension, the one with the bullet wound, just died, sir.
What's a poor boy to do? No place to hide, nowhere to run to. If this is a dream, I want to wake up. If this is a joke, I want it to stop. There's trouble everywhere, and what's a poor boy to do? What's a poor boy to do? What am I gonna do? No place to hide, nowhere to run to. No, if this is a dream, I want to wake up. If this is a joke, I want it to stop. There's trouble everywhere. What's a poor boy to do? What am I going to do? What's a poor boy to do? What am I going to do? No place to hide, nowhere to run to. If this is a dream, I want to wake up. If this is a joke, I want it to stop. There's trouble everywhere. What's a poor boy to do? What's a poor boy to do?
On behalf of myself, the Dean of Student Affairs, the Student Union President, and the entire academic and non-academic staff of this university, I must congratulate you for doing a great job so far.
Thank you very much. Thank you, sir. Thank you, my guy. Thank you.
But most importantly, I must remind you, the image of this school is paramount. Okay? Now, Solomon Peters Mogalu, from now on, you take complete charge of the basketball team to the games. That is to say, you are the person leading us to the promised land. And to whom much is given, much is expected. We don't expect anything short of the Nougat Trophy from you. Are you assuring us?
Well, without further ado, sir, I want to thank you for the confidence you imposed on me, and I can assure you, at the conclusion of the Nougat Games, that trophy will be sitting on the table.
where are you coming from? Oh, so now we rub shoulders. I gave an order and you countered it.
Mommy, I only went.
Mommy, what? Instead of you to be sad over your brother's death, you're busy associating, having good time with his killers.
Mommy!
Shut up. Don't mommy me anything. Now can I have my keys?
You can't do that.
Don't you dare me. Don't dare me.
The Nuga gang is around the corner. You could find this guy tidying issue. Who will tidy in issue before the police gets at him?
Kelly, you're right.
Yes, now.
But I still feel that shooting the father the first time we checked on him was very, very wrong. It's not right at all.
How do you mean finest?
Don't you think police could use that to trace us?
If I caught you,
in the form of
that.
No, not I'm trying to vibrate.
If I shut up there, did the vibrate go where? And the same vibration where you get go vibrate us into trouble. Don't you understand? This malam where you shave every day, you don't get anything inside. This thing is simple. It's a game of chess. You must force something to draw something out. Now, as we don't fall the popsy now, you go fall out. Because if you no fall out, we go drop another thing. I will not so we go drop them, they go until you fall out. We go drop
fall out to join.
Law Supremo.
Yeah, they miss you. They vibrate go where.
Out of our SS characteristic, let's fem la bouche tajou taja.
Let the tajou go up or come down. The best thing is to dash the father. If you don't fall out, we go catch another person. Dash them too. I will go dash them, they go to go find out.
Law Supremo.
So you need to try to here.
Let me do it. Thank you.
Hello?
Nancy, it's Mike.
Mike, where are you? I need to see you.
See me for what? Why do you want to see me? You think I didn't see you with the police? You think I didn't see you with the police? You brought them to arrest me? Is that what you've done?
Mike, it's not what you think. We're not here to arrest you. He's here to help you. The police officer witnessed your father's death. He wants to know more about Supremo and his gang.
Well, Nancy, you can tell that to the dogs because I'm not interested. I know it. That you know that I'm innocent. So why did you bring the police to come and arrest me? You've been pretending all along that I'm innocent. Is that it? And now you came with the police to arrest me. For what? So who can I trust now?
I know. Mike, I know you are innocent. I know. Listen. Prove it. Come out. Don't run away. Don't hide. Just come and prove it. I believe... Hello?
What number did he call?
He's calling from a pay call.
All right, Lancy, let's go. Let's go. Come on, man, let's go.
What do you mean he is innocent?
Madam.
What?
Like I told you, I have worked in the Criminal Investigations Department of the police for the past 12 years, and I have handled more complicated cases. Madam, he is just a victim of circumstance. It's okay. I know you don't believe me, but there is somebody I want you to meet.
And who is this?
It's all right. Let me get her. You see, madam, that's the lady, that's the girl
Hey, yeah. You again?
Madam, calm down.
You!
Madam, please calm down.
Calm down?
Calm down. Oh, this is Mike's sister.
Jeez!
The same gang that killed your son went to her house to kill Mike. But they did not meet him, so they shot the father instead. You can understand.
Inspector, how much did they bribe you for this? And how much did they pay you? Who bribed you?
Madam.
Ma, please, it's true. They want to kill my brother so that I will not tell the police they killed your son. Yes, it's true, please. Ma, please, listen to me, please.
How much did they pay you? You are a very stupid man. How much did they give to you that is worth my son's life? Inspector!
It's okay.
Do you know what? You are so stupid. And believe me, you are a disgrace to the entire police force. You know what? You know the way you came in? I want to see your back now. Get out through that wall.
Madam.
Go out through the way you came in.
Madam, I will explain.
Don't explain! Get out! Out! Get out! I said I want to see your back. Come on, get out! Get out!
Not here again.
Mike, please come out. I am not here to arrest you. But I thought you said you knew that we were coming.
Yes, he did. I'm sure he must have seen you and run off again.
Mike!
There's no point, Inspector. There's no point. Let's just go.
Okay, let's go.
I love my girl, but her mother wants me to go away. I'm running helter-skelter, running all over town. Every time I show my hand, there's a man with a gun to shoot me down. And what's a poor boy to do? No place to hide, nowhere to run to. If this is a dream, I want to wake up. If this is a joke, I want it to stop. There's trouble everywhere, and what's a poor boy to do? What's a poor boy to do? What am I gonna do? No place to hide, nowhere to run to. No, no, if this is a dream, I want to wake up. If this is a joke, I want it to stop.
Wakey sunshine. What do you want from me? Happy to see me? What I want from you. All I wanted you to do was play on my side. You know? Give me the respect I deserve. But no, you wanted to be the man. Look at you now. Messed up. And guess what? The police is looking for you because you killed Wilson. I didn't kill Wilson. You killed Wilson. Yeah, I know I killed Wilson. But you're the only evidence that will link me to the crime. Money and power, that's what makes the world, baby. So guess what? I'm going to kill you too, and that's it. Bring his ass. Yeah! This out. Beat the motherfucker for the life. Need the land, boy! Hey, Fred! Hold it! Hold it, hold it! I don't deal with them. Hey, Chuck, don't say anything! Hey! Stand, move it, move it, move it! Move! Move! Hey, move it! Don't stop! Move! Let's go!
What's a poor boy to do? No place to hide, nowhere to run to. If this is a dream, I want to wake up. If this is a joke, I want it to stop. There's trouble everywhere. And what's a poor boy?
You are now a free man. Nancy.
Thank you so much, officer.
Please, make sure you always bring this man each time we need him.
Oh, certainly, I will.
What am I gonna do? No place to hide, nowhere.
So this is how you want to pay me back for all I have done for you as a father? Do you know that I have not recovered from that shock? Solomon, have you seen yourself? What have I not done for you, Solomon? Initially, I thought that it was my political opponents that wants to blackmail me. I never knew that it was my own son that I sent to school to learn that now turned a traitor. Now that you have tarnished my image, I will never forgive you.
Chief, it's okay now. You see, sometimes human beings can disappoint. Besides, from the look of things, you caused it.
How? Commissioner, how? I have done everything for him at beck and call.
That is it. Have you seen it? You over-pampered him. And that's why he answers Supremo. Inspector, take him back to the cell.
Commissioner, the ball is in your court. How do you assist me?
Chief, you called me some time ago to assist you on this case. I did my best by providing the killer of Honorable Mrs. Kema's son. Are you not satisfied?
Commissioner, you are my friend. It's my son that is involved here. How do we sort these things out within ourselves?
Chief, I will help you sort it out. Your son will face the law.
He's my son.
Yes, I know. If it were Mike, the first suspect, wouldn't he face the law? But now it has turned out to be your son. Listen, let me tell you, Chief. Nobody is above the law. I'm sorry to disappoint you.
Great Nigerian students. Great Nigerian students. Great Nigerian students. From Mike's story, one can see that whoever God blesses, no one can curse. Yes. That's correct. I want you all to learn a lesson from Mike's experience. He is destined by God to lead our institution to this game, which is why after all that happened, he's here waiting to represent us. He's only soliciting your prayers and support to enable him go and come back victorious as before. Mike, please come up. We can see victory all over you, and that means he will go and come back victorious as before. See? The boss is waiting out there. After this time out, match out with your team, because Nsuka is not a near distance. Once again, congratulations.
Confused. Chief agreed we are friends, but life is involved here. Your son killed my son, Chief. My only son.
It's all right. It's all right. Mrs. Kemba, I understand how you feel. I do. But we cannot afford to lose two people at the same time. Please. Madam, please. I want you to have a flashback. Remember all I have done for you. Hope you still remember my effort when you lost your husband. when the party members wanted to deny you contesting from where your husband stopped. I met enemies among all the members. Please, I want you to save my son. Please. I know you'd like to return. Come back for a second tenor. I'll do it for you.
This is no question of politics, Chief.
This case is really beyond me. How can I save somebody who killed my only son? I thought it was another person who killed my son. Little did I know that it was the man whom I was pushing my daughter to marry. Somebody I thought would have been my future in-law. Oh, Wilson, my son. No, 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 no.
Mom, I know what you're thinking about. It will not work. Who does he think he is? His son killed your son, my only brother, and then he offers you a political post to cover up for such a heinous crime? And you think about it? Mother, what are you thinking about? He will not be let off the hook so easily. He killed, he must face the long arm of the law. Justice must prevail, Mother. My goodness, I cannot believe you're even giving this a thought. I will not let you do that, Mother. He killed and he must face the drum. He has to. God! Please, sir. I'm counting on you. Please.
Nancy, you have nothing to worry about. Like I told you, you have nothing to worry about. Thank God I have a police commissioner who is disciplined and believes in the rule of law.
My brother will be happy wherever he is if justice prevails.
See, like I told you, I promise, there will be no sentiments. Not at all. On Monday, they will be taken to court. So you have nothing to worry about.
Thank you. That means I should contact our family lawyer immediately.
Why don't you get another lawyer?
Okay, I'll get another lawyer.
Very well then.
Thank you so much. I should take my leave now.
You have no problem. Thank you.
Barrister Ken, Mike is your friend. You and I know that he's incapable of such heinous crime. Please, you have to do everything in your stride to help. Please.
You have nothing to worry about. Mike was in his fourth year when I was going for my law school. We have come a long way in life as good friends. When I heard about him being a suspect over this case, I made up my mind to defend him.
Thank you. Thank you so much. I have learned from you that a friend in need is a friend indeed.
It's okay. His case is my own case. And I want to assure you that I will do my best. And nobody is above the law under this earth, no matter who we are in the society. Okay?
Thank you so much, Ken.
I will handle it personally.
You can't guess the burdenness of my chest now. Thank you so much.
No problem.
I'll stay closely in touch.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Yeah. It's okay.
Hello? Mike? Hey you, how are you? You what? Oh my god! I'm sorry. You won? My goodness, I am so happy for you. Everybody's fine. When are you coming back? You are just right on time. Yes. Of course, I'll tell everybody. You be careful. Oh my god, I'm so happy for you. Just be careful and get back here. There you go, hero. Bye.
Auntie Nancy, what's the excitement all about?
Mike finally won the game.
Thank God. When is he coming back?
He said he's coming back in 2 days' time.
Are you sure?
Right on time.
When? As in, is it in the morning or in the night? I can't wait to see my brother.
No questions. Eat. And then go and do your homework.
Auntie, are you sure?
Eat.
Ladies and gentlemen, I actually invited you here today to enable me apologize to all of you who are involved, especially Mike, for the way I treated him. It's now that I understand what Wilson, my son, meant when he called me one day. Mommy, I answered. He said that there are two ways to greatness. That some people were born great, while others achieve greatness through hard work and perseverance. Michael. I want to tell you today that from this moment henceforth, I will take charge of your welfare and upkeep. Besides, I want you to take this house as your home, so that you live close to your loved one until both of you graduate. Nancy?
Wow.
How about that?
Thank you.
I'm grateful, Ma. I'm very grateful that I've been vindicated. In the long run, It's just unfortunate that my father, my sister, and even Nancy had to go through so much pains and difficulties concerning this situation, and it's all because of me. I just want you both to know that I'm sorry, and I ask you to forgive me.
Brother Mike, it's okay. Let's just thank God that victory is ours now.
Yes. Yes, victory is ours. Ma, I want to thank you for the offer. I humbly accept it. That henceforth, I will take you as my mother. And I will make this home my home as well. It's just a pity that Wilson has passed on. But I know he still lives.
It's all right. Come here, my son. Come. It's all right.
I love my girl, but her mother wants me to go away. I'm running helter-skelter, running all over town. Every time I show my hand, there's a man with a gun to shoot me down. And what's a poor boy to do? No place to hide, nowhere to run to. If this is a dream, I want to wake up. If this is a joke, I want it to stop. There's trouble everywhere, and what's a poor boy to do? What's a poor boy to do? What am I gonna do? No place to hide, nowhere to run to. No, no, if this is a dream, I want to wake up. If this is a joke, I want it to stop. There's trouble everywhere. What's a poor boy to do? What am I going to do? What's a poor boy to do? What am I going to do? No place to hide, nowhere to run to. If this is a dream, I want to wake up. If this is a joke, I want it to stop. There's trouble everywhere. What's a poor boy to do? Ooh, what's a poor boy to do?